A cup of coffee is not only a fresh, warm, and delicious drink in the morning, but it also boasts multiple health benefits. The caffeine in coffee can kickstart your metabolism in the morning, and drinking it in moderation can promote a healthy heart and protect against several illnesses. Adding just a few simple ingredients into your morning coffee will help accelerate your metabolism, burn more calories, and melt away stubborn fat that your body just can't seem to get rid of. All you'll need is some cinnamon, coconut oil, and honey. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight infections and inflammation in the body. It also reduces blood sugar levels in the body to keep you feeling full longer, aiding in the weight loss process. Cinnamon is believed to increase blood sugar metabolism to break down sugar for energy, allowing less fatty acids to be stored in the body. There are two types of cinnamon, Cassia and Ceylon. Ceylon is known as true cinnamon, and it's believed to be more beneficial, so stick to Ceylon. Coconut oil is a fat, but it's a healthy fat. Coconut oil consists almost entirely of medium-chain fatty acids which metabolize differently. Coconut oil is a natural thermogenic, so it increases both metabolism and energy expenditure, resulting in more efficient fat burning. Honey contains nutrients, including iron, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and calcium, so the digestion process is balanced between the sugar and nutrients. Did you know that honey is also a good source of vitamins, including folate, niacin, riboflavin, vitamin C, and vitamin B6? Research has shown that honey can increase levels of good cholesterol in the body, reducing stress on the heart and allowing people to lead a more active and healthy life to further promote weight loss. For the best results, use raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized organic honey. You will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 cup of coconut oil, and ½ cup of raw honey. Mix all ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Store it in a cup and cover it. When you pour yourself a fresh cup of coffee in the morning, add 1–2 teaspoons of the prepared mix to your coffee while it's still hot. Stir and drink. If you like the video, then give it a like and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.